Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to get an invoice from Shein, whether you need it for returns, exchanges, or just for your records. We've got you covered with this simple method. So let's dive in. First things first, open Shein. Now log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, the cursor navigates to the user profile. Now select on My Orders. On the My Orders page, you'll see a list of all your recent orders. Find the order for which you need the invoice and click on it to view the order details. In the Order Details page, look for the Download Invoice button or link. It might be located near the bottom of the page or under a section titled Order Details. Click on it to download your invoice. And that's it. Now you know how to easily get an invoice from Shein. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tutorials.